This ministry we put together was for the Christmas program, and Katarina was part of it. I'm sitting back there and I'm thinking how Katarina impacted the generation so fast in a short amount of time. How did she do it? You know, and I'm sitting back there and I'm like, man, she didn't get up on the pulpit and preach to where she didn't host no crusades or nothing like that. But it was her love. It was just her neighbor right here. She didn't have to gather a group. It was the person that was standing right next to her. She would give him a hug and show her love. My encouragement to you guys, Katarina's gone, but there's 100 Katarinas now. She inspired us. How much more are we, is Jesus Christ supposed to inspire us? Katarina's a reminder of what Jesus Christ should be in us, and how much more further, and how much more energized and souped up and ready to go Christians we need to be. There's a world that's dying that needs Katarinas. And we got, because one is gone, we gain 100 more. That's my encouragement to you guys. The next song we're about to sing, it's called The Other Side. I'm sure you guys know it from the Katinas. But we like to dedicate this song to the family. How many of you guys are glad that there's another side? Another side of death. There's life after death, right? And we just want to dedicate this song to the family that, cried. Cried, when we don't miss her. But rest assured, we're going to see her again on the other side. Amen? May y'all be blessed.
Mm-hmm.